Yo guys, today I'm showing you how to add bots to your sections. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now look into your Slack account, your Gmail account, and head over to your channel. For example, let's go to our channel, for example, my test channel here, and head over to the message zone and click on add. Type in add and choose, for example, Zapier or Google Drive, or for example Zoom. So you can select it, for example this add Zapier, and hit enter. So this bot is not yet on your channel, so Slack will ask you if you want to add that bot to your channel, and click add to channel. So by this way you added a new bot to our channel. And this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.